Hi, guys, when you're on your computer, you know if you've been using an SSD or an HDD drive. I'll show you how to check if your computer has an SSD or an HDD hard drive. First, you open the Explorer file by pressing the Window plus E key combination, or open from the folder, then click the right mouse button to select this computer, then select Manage. A new window appears, and you select Disk Management. Here's how many hard drives you have as well as the capacity of each hard drive, like your computer. There are two hard drives, Disk 0 and Disk 1, each of which is divided into multiple drives. Next, to know if your hard drive is SSD or HDD, you select this PC to show the drives. In the machine, then you right-click on a drive, select Properties, and in this window you select the item. Tools, then select Optimize C in the Optimize and Defragment Drive window in the Optimize Drives window. This will tell you what type of drive you have. In the media type, if you leave a solid-state drive, then a hard drive. Your SSD, your hard disk drive, and your disk drive 0 consist of two partitions, C and D. Its SSD, and disk 1 has three partitions, E, F, and G. It's a hard drive. Depending on the usage you have chosen. Suitable for your computer. So I've taught you how to check whether your hard drive is an SSD or an HDD. Please sign the like share channel to support us. Hello and see you again.